we learned about framing our simple sentences with the be verbs. Let us continue from that. As I said earlier, the verb is of two types, that is, be verbs and root verbs. Do you have any idea about what is root verbs? Root verbs are simply the action words. Say for example, now you are learning grammar. It is one kind of an action with the verb here is learn. Likewise, there are n number of root verbs in usage. Some more examples are walk, read, listen, eat, sleep, drink, etc. These root verbs are of 5 kinds. They are first form of verb, that is V1, second form of verb V2, third form of verb V3, fourth form of verb V4 and fifth form of verb V5. First, V1 is nothing but the present form of verbs. Write, see, eat and so on. Usually, V1 comes next to the plural nouns and to the pronouns I, you, we, they. V1 can also be written as V1 is equal to do plus V1. That is, every first form of verb has do in it. For example, write is equal to do plus write. See is equal to do plus see. Eat is equal to do plus eat. Next, V2 is a past form of the verbs. Wrote, saw, ate, etc. V2 can be written as V2 is equal to did plus V1. Every second form of the verb has did in it. For example, wrote is equal to did plus write. Saw is equal to did plus see. Ate is equal to did plus eat. V3 is a past participle form of verbs. For example, written, seen, eaten, etc. V4 is a present participle verb like writing, seeing, eating and so on. V4 is equal to V1 plus ing. For example, writing is equal to write plus ing. Seeing is equal to see plus ing. Eating is equal to eat plus ing. Finally, the V5 is also the present tense like writes, sees, eats, etc. V5 usually comes next to singular nouns and to the pronouns he, she, it. V5 is equal to does plus V1. Every fifth form of verb has does in it. For example, writes is equal to does plus write. Sees is equal to does plus see. Eats is equal to does plus eat. Now we shall practice this 5 form of verbs. Now use your fingers and practice along with me. Write, wrote, written, writing, writes. See, saw, seen, seeing, sees. Eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats. Go, went, gone, going, goes. Drink, drank, drunk, drinking, drinks. come, came, come, coming, comes. Bring, brought, brought, bringing, brings. Buy, bought, bought, buying, buys. Catch, caught, caught, catching, catches. Throw, threw, thrown, throwing, throws. It's time for you to work out few verbs in your home. I'll list out the verbs. Please note it down. Sink, drive, meet, read, think. Use your fingers and practice these verbs